Mamima wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what frame Ajua searching. Ebusianfo abrantia or case and the nanu dema osu says cement in the bo iodine. Abranti eka Ghana youth ni bi omo campaign dema NDC amayo hono. Na and they brain nanu dem ne yasapon ne senya ne yasapon ne say. And yeah, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be presidenti. I say dollar no ejina faako a movie and so en connecti. Nemo cement ne boy ye dinya na chese omo hu di omo ye na ni ombesi dan sidan. Na ne pese ye catcher abrantes and dollar rate no kwa oboa NPP if is never 14 point something. And then they are 15.32 and the demand equal 16. Ye catch them say NDC form was so dollar rate in a movie nyama wedding eduano kwa de sisi entumento na de cement na wosu Ghana fu bin so aka ma dwen de a chere yenti nsema e koso
NDC are buying taking over now. The dollar has been very stable, which is very good for businessmen and women, but there is a problem. The problem is cement prices are still going up. Cement prices are still going up. Mintias here. The dollar is stable. The dollar has been stable since this government took over up to now. The dollar is very stable, but cement prices are not stable. They are still going up. Mr. Mampeni, John Dramani Mahama. Mr. Yanshemu, National Yentia cement prices not air cost because I feel now must start to say missing me dying. I feel now must start to Juma missing me dying. Na cement price by say be a mere than must me die. Mr. Mampeni say onye hwemu na onye bedu ho na cement price le cost do.
Ebusiafo se kamena mebeka ya na nkamu ndimi ndi we die impanyifo se kakum ya gine wo koku nanum we die onwo ankasa omu nipa na eka ho me yesa kam beka kire mo se cement nya tumu ko 130 cedis on be fa wo 90 cedis omatuma ko 130 cedis within 4 months omatum 40 cedis nka me yesa mbeka kire mo so minim se mo mododo na mo pechi ni edie ntina me twen se omo ankasa ba beka na ma beka den akire mo now dollar na sam no kan no nya no kre since dollar no on me fa 14 cedis 60 pesos ena e ko 15 na ko 16 na ko 1650 na aba na e ko dollar no enye stable because be fa wo ye no wa pay free 1460 no and am no can say no e around 15 cedis 80 pesos and draw nyumbre na e 15 cedis 95 pesos enti e ko na aba e ko na aba be fa na sa na emom no cement ne de akosuru say hu
are easily followed. So we share sabi NDC for omo fanchame, womo surrogates here, omo kasa chiromo and omo kasa mo social media, the Kevin Taylors and the rest now. Hardly would you see said they are arguing based on the fact there be name omo use the tool of inciting your anger. So what you say because omo nim say ya can't she trim say politicians this guy, your politicians need this guy. Into so banner say obeka bibi for politician be who say politician way a cronfoa obenya the low-minded youth not to follow them. And so they only tread on emotions. And that is something that I always advise my team say never do politics with emotions. It does not work. Utie, yamfa emotions. And your politics is the data available, is the facts that is there, and no any other politics. Because who could do emotions at the politics here? Obe end day back or two about at the end of the day, you will cry for that abano cry being there. And now I can say so many Ghanaians are disappointed. Many of them cannot talk, and the reason they cannot talk is one no didn't kind of Eko kachire Ghana for can sem the total Ghana for trim. Abaina nyade na sebio mpredi asase ne papa mu a sorry se ne papa mu a maami muntie o aban a obaye no se Emma eyemma. Say na say munyemwa. Na manko aspiti ni ade na. Ebedu akire yese wakọ wanya ne ba. Wakọ maame ne ba ni na ewu. Ni etete sansam ni bebre Ghana we Ghana. Utie. Ni yetete sansam we all over. We na be kwa wo a wanya ne ba. We na be wu ase President Kufuor ba no se da bi. Saade a yemfa bibi mra be ba be bo ma ho ban. E fa no wo mo awo mu a. E na odi free maternal care bae. Se wonyem ke start Koko hospital na ban ne hwewo. Yen check ya kola no wadane no ho akola no bibi e ko omma apomuden. President Kufuor jaye edema Ghana for, including National Health Insurance. Na aban bi aba. Oba ye first no gu no sisika na yede ma wo Ghana ni ba yede hwewo bra na wonyem akopem se wo be wo no eni kwan omfata wo Ghana ni ba no onsem fata enti wo mo atwam inti free maternal care ebegu ye ade aban di aba no a ode be so wo oba wasen no NDC for ba e no mu begu no insurance scheme nankasa national health insurance scheme nankasa so a ayarefo ne ade da so no so a eno so ye ma na fake card no de kwa ne ye hwew adentia yes service providers no ebu afu se aban CKSS utu omo no emba. Where the American experience be, I was in Ghana 2012. I remember when they were going on demonstrations. Say the National Health Insurance, that's no doors. It's a buying and strength here, and you pass a year na National Health Insurance scheme here. They collapse here under John Dramani Mahama. Almost 1.2 billion cedis, and ye jack they are to a car buying me by Ometrianu health insurance on Kwana. Yan so shade. Nana Kufuor buy se den se emre obo modia tua saaka no e ma ni free insurance scheme no so e ma insurance need to me be ye adwuma e ma mpo no ye the other services e ye den e kan ho. Okay, now the president na oba first no went to me ampe bibi sanfa mama nenso free maternal care ye di ja no ogu no osan by this time biwa enye se obeye adwuma ka so okay government is accountability ma penso and as maternal care igu ye enti mabade a mebeye adwuma na mapekwan a mefan so de ede ababiwo em ose da bi na emum this time no onyama mienu a opeso de boa Ghana for ma na debia ya na meka say young citizens na your country no mu ya na yema politicians fire for otie yenya na yema ye ho kwan achemba ma yenya na yema ye ho kwan e na politicians no etumi tatro e kire yen dada yen na edi omachi eye ni a minim honorable menka na menka so wey NDC ni nti oba power amenya kakredi. And even though said the American yen kwan mu na ho na migina ho. We say my name Mr. Buckman enenam. Mr. Buckman the MPP ni even though say Buckman in some more kan ye no entasum entumi more mind kwanim. Na enso e ho na migina nti and nti no e ma politicians na adwuma na yemre. You want something to excite the MPP people, get something it's about Mahama hey, they will be there. O pesa o ma NDC for any dia o de ka say o de bonana do din temu keke. They are so excited and they will go after it. Until at the end of the day ni yani baba ya hoso no na MPP NDC say politics no more ya no ma twena me no wo we are not growing, nothing is developing. This is the Ghana some of the politicians want. And that is why when we see good politicians like His Excellency Nanado, when we see good politicians like His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia emerge on the scene, I mean, you protect your move. San Crawford, your regular politician say, Haruna Idris, Nomine, Okuda Tablo, come on, we chapter and see a good enumini.